Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel where we take a deep dive into the world of trucks, engines, and future machines. Today we are looking at the 2025 Kenworth W900, a legend that has been reborn with modern upgrades while keeping the classic spirit alive. This truck is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of American trucking heritage combined with futuristic engineering. The first thing you notice about the 2025 Kenworth W900 is that it stays true to its iconic long hood design. That traditional, muscular stance is still there, but Kenworth has added aerodynamic touches to improve fuel efficiency. The chrome details shine brighter, the grille is more refined, and the LED headlamps give it a sharper, modern edge. It's a truck that instantly turns heads, blending nostalgia with innovation. Under the hood, the W900 comes with the latest Packer MX-13 engine, offering up to 565 horsepower and a staggering 2,050 pound-feet of torque. This power ensures that even the heaviest hauls feel smooth and controlled. Paired with the efficient 12-speed automated transmission, drivers can expect both performance and fuel savings. Kenworth has clearly designed this truck to meet the modern demands of long-haul trucking while keeping reliability at the center. Step inside, and the 2025 W900 greets you with a completely reimagined interior. The cabin is quieter thanks to advanced soundproofing, and the seats have been redesigned for maximum comfort on those long journeys. The dashboard is fully digital, with a customizable display that allows drivers to monitor everything from navigation to real-time performance data. Despite these futuristic features, the interior still holds on to the classic Kenworth wood grain accents and leather finishes, reminding you of the truck's heritage. Technology is another highlight. Kenworth has introduced advanced driver assist features including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation systems. These upgrades make the W900 not just powerful but also safer, giving drivers peace of mind on highways and in crowded city routes. Connectivity is also improved, with built-in telematics and smartphone integration, making fleet management smoother than ever. Ride quality is where the W900 shines even brighter in 2025. The new suspension system and better weight distribution give the truck a more stable and smoother ride, reducing driver fatigue. For truckers spending countless hours behind the wheel, these refinements are game-changing. Overall, the 2025 Kenworth W900 is more than just an upgrade. It's a tribute to tradition and a leap into the future. It keeps everything drivers love about the W900 while adding modern comfort, safety, and technology. For those who grew up admiring this truck and for a new generation of truckers, the W900 continues to be a symbol of pride, strength, and reliability on the road. That's the 2025 Kenworth W900, a perfect blend of heritage and progress, keeping the legend alive while shaping the future of trucking.